Now we take the next question. Find the equation of line which intercepts a length of 2 units on the positive direction of x-axis. It means the x-intercept is what? 2. It intercepts a length of 2 units on the positive direction of the x-axis. That is, our line is passing somewhere like this. Either it is moving like this or it is cutting like this. And therefore, since this length is 2, positive 2, what is this coordinate? This coordinate is 2, 0. Therefore, our line is passing through. The line is passing through which point? 2, 0. Now, if the line is passing through this point, this acts as x1, y1. That is the point through which our line is passing. Now, if we can somehow find the slope of this line, we can find the equation of this line. Y minus y1 m x minus x1. This is the formula we can use. Now, and is inclined at an angle of 135 degree with the positive direction of y-axis. Now, our line is making an angle of 135 degree with the y-axis, not the x-axis. Okay. Now, how can we make an angle of 135 degree with the y-axis? It is making an angle of 135 degree with the y-axis, positive direction. Let's say we do not know which angle it is making. Now, positive direction of y-axis and anti-clockwise. Let's say this is 135. Therefore, this angle would be 135. Now, if this angle is 135, now this angle won't be 135. It is making an angle of 135 with the y-axis. Therefore, let's take this as, this angle is 135 degree, or rather we'll take the arrow to the other side because it is taking anti-clockwise. This angle is 135. Now, since this is y-axis, this is x-axis, we are interested in finding out the angle of inclination, that is this angle. Now, what would be this angle? This would be 45, this is 90, this would be 135 degree. Therefore, theta in this case becomes 135 degree. Therefore, what is m? M becomes tan 135. Tan 135 means minus 1. Now, we know m also, we know x1, y1 also. We can find the equation as y minus 0, minus 1, x minus 2. So, therefore, our equation is y minus x plus 2, which can also be written as x plus y is equal to 2. One point we should always remember is whenever you know the x-intercept or the y-intercept, we can actually find the coordinates. If we are given the x-intercept, we can find the coordinate as x-intercept, 0. If y-intercept is given, we can find the coordinate as 0, the y-intercept. We can actually find the coordinates if we know the intercepts. Let's take the next question. Find the equation of the right bisector of the line segment joining this and this. Let's say we have a line segment and we want to find out the right bisector. Right means perpendicular and bisector means which divides the line into two equal parts. Therefore, we want the equation of a line which is dividing this line in equal parts and is at an angle of 90 degree perpendicular to this line. This is A and let's say this is B. Now, we want the equation of this line. Let's say this line is CD. Now, since our line CD is perpendicular to AB, straight away we should get to the point that slope of these two lines, the product of slope of these two lines should be minus 1. Slope of AB into slope of CD should be what? Minus 1, first thing. And since it is saying it is the bisector of AB, it means this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint because it is bisecting the line AB. And to find out the midpoint, we need the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We can take any of them as x1, y1 and this as let's say x2, y2. Now we can find this point, let's say E. What would be E? 1 plus 2 by 2 and 0 plus 3 by 2. Therefore, E comes out to be 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Therefore, our line is passing through this point E. Line CD is passing through E. Therefore, now we know that our line is passing through this point. It becomes one point through which our line is passing, and we can find out the slope of our line by using this formula. Now, what is the slope of AB? Use y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So, therefore, 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1, which is 3. Therefore, let slope of CD be m. Now, m into 3 should be equal to minus 1. So, what is m? Minus 1 by 3. Now, we know m also, we know x1, y1 also. Now, we can apply the formula. Y minus y1, m x minus x1. Y minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 3, x minus 3 by 2. If you take the LCM, 2y minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 3, 2x minus 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Cross multiplying it, we get 6y minus 9 minus 2x plus 3. Rearranging it, we get 6y plus 2x is equal to 12. This can be reduced as 3y plus x is equal to 6. Therefore, this is the equation of the right bisector of the line segment joining points A and B.